Welcome back to our exploration of artificial intelligence. Today we're diving into a crucial topic, understanding the differences and connections between AI, machine learning and deep learning. Let's start with artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence represents a transformative branch of computer science dedicated to designing and developing machines and systems capable of performing tasks that typically necessitate human-like intelligence. This broad field encompasses a diverse array of functions, ranging from simple problem-solving to complex activities like advanced creative thinking, decision-making and learning. At its core, AI is not merely about replicating human intelligence. AI's true power lies in its capacity to process and analyze data in ways that humans cannot, often more efficiently and accurately. Now let's narrow down to machine learning. This is a subset of AI where machines learn from data. Unlike traditional programming, where machines follow explicitly given instructions, machine learning allows systems to learn, adapt, and make decisions based on their data inputs. Take, for example, a machine learning model used for detecting spam in emails. This model is trained with a large number of emails already labeled as spam or non-spam. It analyzes these examples and learns to spot the characteristics of spam emails. As a result, the model can then identify and filter out spam in new emails it receives. The more emails it processes, the better it gets at telling spam and non-spam emails apart. In our exploration, we'll delve into various machine learning algorithms. We start with linear regression, a fundamental technique used for predicting numerical values. Then we'll cover decision trees, which are used for classification and regression tasks by breaking down a dataset into smaller subsets. Deep learning, a specialized area within machine learning, advances the idea further by using structures called neural networks. These networks are designed to mimic the way the human brain operates, with layers of artificial neurons, just like neurons in the brain are interconnected. In deep learning, data passes through multiple layers of these artificial neurons. You can imagine one of these neurons as a tiny decision maker inside the neural network. It works somewhat like a light switch that can be either on or off, based on the input it receives. Each layer processes a different part of the data, helping the model to understand complex patterns. For example, in image recognition, one layer might recognize edges, another layer might identify shapes, and another might recognize textures, all working together to identify the overall image. Machine learning is great for tasks like creating email spam filters and recommending movies or music based on user preferences. Deep learning, however, excels in more complex areas such as driving autonomous vehicles, translating languages in real time, and recognizing objects in images with high accuracy. As we delve deeper, we also encounter challenges like data bias and ethical considerations. The field is rapidly evolving, with new research and technologies emerging continuously. As we conclude, think about how these technologies affect your life and what future advancements you anticipate. Thank you for joining us in demystifying these vital aspects of AI. Stay tuned for our next session, where we'll delve deeper into the world of AI and its incredible potential.